We'll briefly talk about VMware's Open RAN and Edge solutions here, and primarily around the intersection between the RAN and the Edge. So VMware's RAN target architecture is all about enabling customers to disaggregate the RAN, deploy the RAN infrastructure as software building blocks, cloudify them, and deploy them on standard COTS hardware. And at the same time, supporting all of the use cases and applications that are needed to deliver an Open RAN ecosystem effectively. The different building blocks of the solution start from the Telco Cloud Platform for RAN, which is the CAS layer or the CAS infrastructure, where the different RAN CUs and DUs and other applications can be deployed. The second layer is the automation or the orchestration layer, where the RAN elements can be onboarded and managed. The third layer is about driving and enabling a programmable RAN infrastructure using both the DRIC and CRIC solutions. And the fourth layer is about building this SMO framework where traditional EMS and NMS systems of the RAN infrastructure can now be configured using software principles and software building blocks using open interfaces. So overall, the solution is aimed at enabling a smooth transition for customers who have deployed their proprietary RAN infrastructures into a virtualized environment and eventually into an Open RAN ecosystem. VMware continues to work with different partners in the ecosystem, enabling our CSP customers to onboard network functions, CU and DU applications from different vendors as they would prefer. Now we get to the context for the intersection between the RAN and the Edge. So as you can see, as CSPs embark on building private 5G solutions or any enterprise go-to-market solutions around 5G, the most important aspect is around cost optimization and also driving innovation. So Open RAN now, or virtualized RAN, becomes an integral element of anything enterprise private 5G, where now CSPs can deploy standard Open RAN building blocks on COTS hardware and offer these solutions in a more cost-optimized manner. It also enables the CSPs to drive different use cases and applications which were traditionally not available in a proprietary appliance-based RAN infrastructure, because now you can program the infrastructure to drive certain specific asks that customers may have, specific latency and specific delay budgets that certain use cases and applications will need, and so on and so forth. So as part of the entire ecosystem, VMware is able to offer an optimized and cost-effective RAN infrastructure as part of everything mobile edge compute. In addition to that, you see that the platform and the automation and orchestration layer can also onboard the different applications that are aligned to Industry 4.0. So as an example, a customer can deploy an on-premise edge, or he can deploy a distributed edge, depending on the requirements. And all of this can be either offered as a self-contained, self-managed infrastructure that the CSPs would like to have, or it could be completely offered as a turnkey managed service offering where the CSP himself takes on all of the operational management and policy and governance aspects and offering just service to the end customers in this case. Where are we moving the industry towards? VMware essentially is part of what we call as the Open Grid Alliance, which is a consortium of like-minded parties whose intent is to primarily build an open ecosystem for delivering services at the edge, and also for creating a globally federated environment where CSPs can partner with each other in delivering mobile edge compute services. The Open Grid architecture is focused about autonomy, where each CSP can have a solution or a MEC offering that is built to suit their requirements and still can offer a federated environment or integrate with a federated environment to offer cross-geography based MEC services. So in this case, the Open Grid architecture is focused on creating an environment that is totally fungible, that is built on principles that are aligned to what the application's requirements and the end users' asks are, and hence delivering what we call as a time-sensitive fabric. In this manner, the entire Open Grid architecture is focused on enabling a cross-geography based service that is completely aligned to the end user's requirements.